and welcome to this tutorial on how to make the Xalli skirt. The Xalli skirt comes together with a top pattern in 3 different lengths, which I also have a tutorial for, and also it comes with a bikini bottom for this bikini top. In this tutorial we're making the skirt, so let's concentrate on that. For the skirt I have this elastic golden fabric. I have my 5mm wide elastic band. And I also have these rings I bought off Amazon. I'm going to put the link below. And as always, if you like this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment, a like, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on sewing inspiration. So that is all, let's get started. This skirt only has one pattern piece, which should be cut twice and mirrored. The longer side will be the gathered one, and it is also the side that has the ring. Then I also cut a 4cm wide strip across the width of my fabric to make the string for the gathering. I do that by folding the strip in half across its length, right sides together. And then I sew with my overlock, but you can also use your regular sewing machine and a stretch stitch. Now I can turn the strap inside out using a loop turner or a safety pin. And we have a band! Now I can take the main pieces and put them right sides together. I will sew them together along the longer side using a zigzag stitch on my sewing machine. It is important not to sew the seam with an overlock, since we need to open up the seam allowance now. Like so. Starting 2.5 cm from the top, I top stitch each side with a zigzag stitch to create tunnels for inserting the band to create the gathering. I also stop 2.5 cm from the bottom, turn the skirt around, and do the same on the other side of the seam allowance. This is what it looks like now. Putting the skirt right sides together again, I can sew the other side of the skirt with my overlock, a sewing machine. Next, I'm folding over this open edge to finish the waistline. I will also include an elastic to the seam between the seam allowance and the skirt. I'm switching to a twin needle for this step because I think it looks prettier, but you can also use any other stretch stitch on your sewing machine. Then I sew the waistline by slightly stretching the elastic I'm encasing within. Sewing with the wrong side upwards kind of defeated the purpose of the twin needle for me, but I only realized that afterwards. Normally when sewing with a twin needle, you should always sew with the right side upwards to get the pretty side. While I'm at it, I also went ahead and hemmed the skirt with my twin needle. Now we can sew in the ring. I fold the edge of the cutout over the ring. I move my needle to be as close to the ring as possible. And then I stitch along the ring with a straight stitch while continuously folding over the edge. Ta-da! The last step is to insert the band into the tunnels. Starting from the hem, I move the band over into the second tunnel beneath the ring to end up at the hem again. And it's all done! Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials and sewing inspiration. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!